Well, hello again. It's been a long time since I've done a video, so I thought I'd do one tonight before it gets dark. Been a crazy busy summer with harvest last year being late and planting this year being late. And once we did get planting done, then I went on a couple weeks holidays, which was nice, and then we're back into it. So I wanted to do a video on these two here. This one you knew I was working on. This one's been kind of a secret. I've had it since the winter time. So but first I'll walk around this 30. Done a couple videos on the brake work and the transmission shift lever on this one, plus the wheel seals. So I just got it done a couple weeks ago, just in time for the fall fair here, local town. This one is a 1949 Cockshutt 30. They were rated 30 PTO horsepower, but in reality they were only about 25 engine horsepower by the time they got them to the ground. Tin work was nice and straight on this one. There's a couple dents here I had to fill in, but you can't even see them now. This thing was really rusty. I went through bags and bags of sand to get it down to where I wanted it. Got some new rubber on the front and back. Got two different rims on this tractor, as you can see. Reason being is we had the Cockshutt 30 in the barn here I was working on, and we could only find two good rims between the two of them. So, and honestly, you can't look at both sides at the same time, right? So that's the way it's going to be for now. Put new gauges in it. It's my on-off switch there. Kind of rigged that up so shifts nice and drives nice. Starts right up. Decals, I had them made, or no, this one they came as a kit. We got this kit through Steiner's for this one. These grills we ordered through Steiner's. Brand new reproductions, and this center plate, which my better half painted. Did a nice job. Now on the video, this yellow looks a lot lighter than it actually is. This is what they call Cockshutt yellow, so I'm assuming that's the right one. This wire here is for the alternator. We changed everything to 12 volt negative ground on this tractor because I had to rewire the whole thing anyway. So I just had this on to keep the belt tight, just so we could get it to the fair and back. So that's another one in the restoration books. Saved it from scrapyard demise. And this one over here is its sister or brother or whatever you want to call it. This is a Co-op E3. Now I talked to one of the YouTubers that I follow, and I told him I had a story behind this tractor. This tractor was built by Cockshutt here in Canada, sold to a farmer in Iowa, and then a guy north of here actually bought it at his sale, brought it back here to Canada where he restored it. But I didn't paint this one. This is the way I bought it. It was all painted, but it didn't have the decals on it. So my expert decal maker, I gave her a picture found on the internet, and that's what she came up with, which in my opinion is pretty darn close to the original. She made all the little decals here, and one there, and so the reason this is painted orange, and there's kind of a story behind it. Back in the day, Cockshutt was not allowed to sell tractors in the US. So Co-op, which is an American company, had an agreement with Cockshutt that they would make tractors for them, paint them orange, and then, call them Co-ops. So that's why this one's orange, and they were sold in the US, and I believe they were sold out west too. You see a few of them out there. But this thing is really, really nice shape. Whoever painted it did a lot better job than I could do. But like I said, there was no decals on it when I got it, so it looks brand spanking new. Now this one has PTO, and this one does not. So this tractor was probably used for grunt work and pulley work. The pulley actually looks fairly new on it. Start this one up here. Run over myself. Fire this one up too. Always shut the gas off because you never know. This tractor needs a bit of a tune-up. I think it's got a bit of a mist to it, so maybe I gotta adjust the timing or set the points up. This tractor too was all rewired. Did a really nice job of it. I kind of wish we could have found a row crop tractor like this one, then we would have had the pair of them. But you get what you get. Thanks for watching, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's William Chambers Instagram. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.